everyone, welcome back. Today I have an exciting video for you. I have a huge Sephora haul of goodies that I've amassed over the past couple of months, both in store and online. And these are goodies that I found from both the Christmas sales and also the after Christmas sales. And most of the items I'm going to talk about are still currently available on the Sephora website. So of course I will link any available items down below in the description box for you to check out as well. So for the sake of keeping this video relatively short, I've broken up my Sephora haul into two separate videos. You're currently watching the video that is focusing on hair care and skincare. So please check out my companion video as well, which is focusing on my picks for beauty over the past couple of months. So quick disclaimer, as you all probably heard in my previous video, I'm definitely not a makeup artist or a beauty expert by any means. I'm just a normal working mom who loves beauty and wanted to share with you some of the picks that I found. I haven't for the most part tried out these items, so of course I would really welcome your feedback. If you've tried any of these things, please let me know. Also, if you have any suggestions for things I need to check out, I'd also want to hear about that as well. So why don't we just go ahead and get started. So the first category I wanted to talk about is hair care. And in hair care, I only picked up two items. This kit by Way. And it includes both the texturizing hairspray and the hair oil. I thought this was a great value. I got this actually on special. It's currently still on the Sephora website on sale. And the package set is actually less than the hair oil itself. So I thought it was a great time to pick it up and give it a try. Recently, I've been having a lot of difficulty with my hair, especially being postpartum, in terms of drying out and also thinning. So if you guys have any suggestions for me and products I need to try, I'd really appreciate it. Otherwise, I of course will let you know how these things work out for me. So the next item I have is actually a hair dryer. So I picked up the Buttercup hair dryer from Drybar. So I dabbled into some of the Drybar products a while ago and really do like them. This particular hair dryer is the full-size Buttercup hair dryer and came as a set. So you can see you get a nice package of their products as well to give a try. And there's a full-size hair dryer with hairbrush and some clips. So really a full package set. I got this in store at one of our local Sephoras and currently it's not available. However, on the website there is a similar version. I think it's called Glitter Gang and it's the glitter special edition version of the Buttercup hair dryer in addition to a package set with some other products as well. The prices are pretty comparable too, so I'd consider checking that out. I'll let you know how this hair dryer works out for me. Currently, I don't use any particular special hair dryer, so I thought trying this Drybar version might be a good step. So that does it for hair care. In terms of skincare, I picked up several items, of course, as well. I'm getting more into skincare as well as my skin has been maturing, and now that I'm postpartum, I think it's been something I wanted to focus on a little bit more and take care of my skin. So before I go into facial skincare, I wanted to talk about body skincare. And the one set I picked up for body lotion, I'm sure you've seen before, but it's the Boom Boom Cream set that was released before the holidays. So the set currently is not available on Sephora, but the individual products are. And I know a lot of people mention this cream here on YouTube, and that's essentially where I first heard about it. But this set came with a bunch of fun items. So of course the Boom Boom Cream here, it's a wonderful pistachio scent. If you haven't sampled it before, I really would suggest giving it a try. The hand cream, which I have not yet tried, the body wash, and also the spray. So I'd like to really kind of dabble into some of these other products in the line. I'm sure I'm going to love them. They all smell the same way, which is a very pleasant pistachio scent. I did try the acai version of the cream, and I don't like it quite as much. I don't think it's quite as moisturizing, and the scent is not quite as appealing to me. So I really do like this traditional Boom Boom cream. So I know I'm going to get a lot of good use out of this one. I picked up a couple of items from Tasha, and to be honest, I have not yet tried Tasha products. I've heard such great things about them. To be honest, I've kind of shied away a little bit because they're on a slight pricier side for me. However, now that I want to focus a little bit more on skincare, I think it's time to give them a try. So the first item I picked up is the Tasha Essence Water. This was definitely a little bit of a splurge for me. However, again, my skin has been a little on the drier side recently, and this product is supposedly going to plump the skin, and I believe you put it on clean skin prior to adding your other skincare and makeup. And by moisturizing the skin and plumping it prior to adding your products, it allows your products to soak into your skin a lot better. So here's the packaging, which is absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a go, and I'll let you know how I like it. So the next product from Tasha is this little kit that was released as well before the holidays. And this kit includes a couple of their best-selling products that I had wanted to try. So one of which is this Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Also the water cream, which is a gel-like texture I've heard, which tends to work out well for my skin. This primer, the Silk Canvas Primer, which I know you've probably heard about and I've yet to try, in addition to the Violet C Radiance Mask. I'll take out the skin mist and take a quick sample of it. I've heard such amazing things about the skin mist on YouTube, so I wanted to give it a try. I do like skin mist a lot to set my makeup. Very refreshing. It has a very nice spa-like scent, and something that I think I'm really going to enjoy. So I'll let you know how this works out as well. And the next item is another gift set from Kopari. This set currently is still available on the Sephora website for a discounted price, actually. So here it is. It's called Beauty Besties. And let me just open up the kit here. So it comes with, again, their best sellers. So I think these kits are really amazing to try, especially now that there's after Christmas specials are going on for a discounted price. You can really try a sampling of these lines' best products. So the first one here is the Coconut Melt, the deodorant, which I've heard such great things about, and I'd like to try and see if a natural deodorant could work out for me. The face cream and also lip glossy, which has also gotten rave reviews. So I want to take a sampling quickly of the deodorant here. And as other people described, it's a very nice, soft coconut scent. It does not smell artificial. It smells like true coconut. So something that I hopefully will enjoy and it'll work out for me. It's also such a cute little travel size deodorant, so just perfect to put in your bag with you. So the next thing I picked up was a little pack of skin masks from Sephora, and this is their Sephora Set of favorite skin masks. So again, it comes with a sampling of their best sellers. I got this on sale, and I don't believe it's currently available. However, the individual products all should be. So it includes a bunch of their best sellers: the Rose Face Mask, the Kiehl's Mask, Dr. Jart, the Basho Black Mask, the Charcoal Mask from Origins, the Sephora Sheet Mask, and also a Glam Glow Mask. So a really cute set, and I'm excited to give these samples a try. This is the Origins set, which I believe is also still available online. So this Origins set, again, features their best sellers. So it has the overnight mask, it has their ginseng products, their charcoal mask, and their cleanser. So a lot of really fun things to try. So again, I'll let you know how these work out. A couple other quick things. So I picked up this set from Glow Recipe. And I think you've probably seen this before in the prior to Christmas sales. A cute little bag. I think my daughter's just gonna love this, my 4-year-old. I'm not sure I'm gonna share it with her though. But it comes with its bestseller, the overnight mask here. I did really want to try the moisturizer and the face mask, which it also comes with. So I also haven't tested this scent out, but supposedly it's a very nice, fresh watermelon scent. And this is the moisturizer. It does, in fact, smell very pleasant, kind of like a Jolly Rancher, which I personally like. Not really artificial, though, so I think it's something that I'm going to enjoy putting on and using it at night, and maybe the moisturizer during the day, and I'll let you know how these things work out for me. The next one is an essential. It's sunscreen. So this is something that I often forget about when I'm putting things in my cart in Sephora, but sunscreen, as you know, is so important. I actually grew up in Hawaii and got a pretty decent sun exposure as a kid and don't remember putting on sunscreen that often. So as a result, now I have a lot of dark spots and hyperpigmentation that I'd really like to avoid getting worse. So now I'm really hyper vigilant about getting sunscreen on my face. So this is something I generally always add to my cart when I'm buying other things. So I wanted to try out the Supergoop version, which I haven't yet. I wanted a sunscreen that was relatively light that I could put on easily before makeup that wouldn't affect its application. So I wanted to give this one a go. So I've heard good things about this unseen sunscreen from Supergoop. It is available on the website currently as well. So I'm hopeful this will work out as we head into the spring and summer months. I currently have a ride or die face cleanser, and that's the Purity Made Simple from Philosophy. I've used that for years, literally, in addition to their daily exfoliator. But of course, now and again, I do itch to try something new to see if something may work better than my ride or dies. So I wanted to dabble into the Basho cleansing oil. So that's what encouraged me to try out this kit here, which is currently still available on the Sephora website at a discount on sale. So it comes with a cleansing oil, which is the main thing I wanted to try, but also with a mask and the cactus moisturizer. So I think this is something that hopefully I may be able to use in conjunction with my other cleansers that I like. It comes with a cute little pump bottle here for the cleanser. So I'm excited to give this a shot. And then the other Basho kit that's currently on special now on the website is the deep cleaning one. So it comes with 4 different products here. It comes with the pore mask here, the strip, the luminizing black mask, this really cool black and white charcoal pudding mask, and also the detoxifying cleanser. So another nice sampling of their products. I definitely could use help with minimizing my pores and giving a good deep clean now and again. So I think that that probably will work out for me as well. So that brings it to the end of my skincare and hair care haul. Again, I do have a companion video which will talk about my haul in terms of beauty. So please check that out if you can. And as usual, please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to help support my new YouTube channel, and let me know what types of videos you're interested in hearing about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.